60% of our genetic makeup being shared with a banana. Okay. Yeah. All right. Let me go ahead and post this up. All right. So now here it is. Okay. So at one point in time, it was believed that we share 60% of DNA with bananas, right?
Mm.
And it says here, you share 50% of your DNA with each of your parents, but with banana, we share about 50% of our genes. But that turns out to be only about 1% of our DNA. Okay. So a much more accurate statement would be that we share a portion of gene products with a banana, not DNA or even genes themselves. So what exactly is the truth? So it says, how similar are we really to a banana? 40%. So let's break it down. Rather than 60% of our DNA being shared with a banana, we're now down to 60% of 2% of our DNA being 40% similar. Now, looking at it, the many obvious differences between humans and bananas, that may still be a surprising statistic, but we're willing to bet it's somewhat less surprising than the original claim. And so it goes down to explain furthermore, there is a reason this factoid has hung around as long as it has. 60% of our genetic makeup being shared with a banana, it boggles the mind. But here's the thing. Not only is the true claim much less impressive as we've seen, but it's also not that counterintuitive. Humans and bananas seem very different on the face of it, but at a basic level, we're not so different.